And I will deal with the first issue, that is whether this court has jurisdiction over the consolidated petitions. Article 2(1) of the Constitution is unequivocal that no person or state organ is above the Constitution. It further affirms that all state authority must be exercised in strict conformity with constitutional provisions. The bone of contention before us is whether that jurisdiction ought to be exercised by this court or by the Supreme Court. We refer to the case of Machari and another versus Kenya Commercial Bank, in which the Supreme Court itself stated as such. Article 163 of the Constitution provides for the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in exhaustive terms, though leaving room for Parliament to prescribe further appellate jurisdiction in terms of Article 163 3b2, which stipulates that the Supreme Court shall have appellate jurisdiction to hear and determine appeals from any other court or tribunal as prescribed by national legislation. From this analysis, we have come to the conclusion that the jurisdiction to hear disputes arising from impeachment of the President and Deputy President does not lie with the Supreme Court within the realm of original and exclusive jurisdiction. Instead, such jurisdiction may be exercisable within the Supreme Court's appellate jurisdiction. Removal of a governor relates to accountability, political governance, and personal responsibility, and not necessarily about criminal responsibility. While we acknowledge that this referenced decision pertains to the impeachment of a governor, we maintain that the same constitutional principles apply to the impeachment of a deputy president. We do hereby find and hold that this court has the jurisdiction to sit and determine the matter that is before it.
The following orders are hereby issued. 1. The applications for conservatory orders are hereby disallowed. 2. The conservatory orders issued on 18th of October 2024 in Keregoya, HighCourt E015/2024 are hereby discharged and or set aside.
Cost of these applications shall be in course.
We grant leave for appeal, type proceedings, and certified copies of this ruling to be availed to parties at cost or as it may be. We will mention this matter on 7th of November 2024 at 2 p.m. in the open court.